Hi guys, let's start with our skincare. I'm going to clean my face with micellar water. Since I have oily skin, my face always tends to secrete more oil. So I just take some micellar water on my reusable cotton pad. I'll dampen it a little and I will just clean my face. It's sort of like a cleansing water, you might say. It takes off your makeup, but you can also use it before starting any makeup so that your face is super clean. Now the next step is adding moisturizer. I just want to add moisture. This is a Episoft AC moisturizer. It's for people who have acne issues because usually the other moisturizers break us out. Then I'm going to use Garnier Wrinkle Lift. I have no clue if it helps with wrinkles, but this is a good moisturizer. You can give a very light massage to your face when you apply moisturizer. Then I add lip balm. You can surely go ahead and use your own skincare. I'm just showing you what I do before a quick makeup routine. So let's move on to makeup. Usually when you do makeup, you add primer to your face, but I'm directly going in with the foundation. So I'm going to use very minimal product. This shade is a little orange for my skin tone, but it sort of works out well by giving me a natural look. I'm going to take it on back of my hand. I'm going to spread it so that the heat of my body melts the foundation. It's applied evenly on my skin. Don't worry, since we've used the skincare, our skin is not going to be bothered by the makeup since it already has a layer beneath this. You see how it's sort of looking like my skin but a little better? We want that. When you do a good job with your skincare, your foundation is going to really look nice since it has a nice base to go over. I'm going to take it below my face also because I don't really like prominent color difference. Add a little on my ears. This earring's cute. I got this from Voila. Oh, I got it from Voila. Now the next step is setting my face with a loose powder. Here I have Lakme Rose Powder. It's in warm pink shade. So what I do is I pick that up on my brush and I'll just swirl it around. So what that will do is it will distribute the product in the brush itself. And I'll just lightly tap it on my face. So it sets the face. I want the shine peeking through so that it looks youthful. It's a quick makeup look. I'm not going to bother with contouring. I'm just going to do a very basic eye makeup look. Even a beginner can do it well. I'll tell you how. What I am using is Lakme Iconic in the shade Classic Brown. Black is going to look really harsh, so I'm not using black color. I'm going to use brown color. Draw a line near my lash line. You can be messy, just don't go outside the lid area. Take your finger and start smudging it. It will give you a nice sultry look without being too harsh or too like in your face kind of a smoky look. I'm going to use a nude palette, reddish brown shade. Could you see that extra product? If you don't tap it, it's going to fall on your face. So make sure to always tap to remove the extra product. And just use this in the crease area.
And start blending so that the color looks diffused.
Don't go beyond this area.
Same thing on the other eye.
we are done diffusing the color in the crease area, just going to use a darker color so that the eyeliner set. Use a similar shade, which is this brown. Again, I'm going to pick it and tap it off. Stay near the lash line, not going anywhere beyond this. See a line forming, so just blend that line with the color above. Makes your eye look a little nice and sultry. Now I'm going to take a smaller brush. So I want to add some product on the bottom lash line, because your eye look is going to look incomplete if you don't do that. So I'm going to use the same shade we used in the crease, this reddish brown tone. What this will do is it's going to connect the whole eye look together. I've kept the eye look minimal. Take any normal brush you have, any cleaner one, and dip it in your highlighter. Take a nice product on your brush, just tap it off and use it in your inner corner so that the highlighter grabs all the attention to your eye. This is a good trick if you don't want to do a lot in terms of eye makeup but still want people's attention to go to your eye area. I'm not going to apply the highlighter yet because I've not done my eyebrows. Simply I'm going to brush through them. Eyebrow pencil by Miss Claire in the shade dark brown. I wouldn't advise using a black color. It looks really fake. I don't like that look. So what I do is, I'll just show you. I'll start flicking through the eyebrows and not really drawing a line. Just add the color where you have sparse area. Since we've gone for natural makeup, this two done up brows are not going to look nice. I'm done with my brows, so I'm going to add a highlighter color on the brow bone as well. This one is by Nykaa. It's a Wonder Puff cushion lipstick. I think you can use it on your cheeks as well. Went for like a nude eye look. I've kept it nude as well, so it looks really natural. I completely forgot using mascara. I'm using Lash Sensational by Maybelline. Just going to open my eyes, look back and comb through my lashes. Guys, while applying the mascara, you get a product somewhere here or here. Just let it dry out, and then when it dries out completely, you can take a cotton bud and just simply flick it. Because if you try and remove it when it's wet, it's going to spread all over your eyes. All the products I'm giving you are not because I want you to use those particular products. I'm not getting anything out of it. I'm just giving you the names because if you are curious, you can buy the product. There are no hard and fast rules when it comes up to makeup. This is something what I thought to put out so that I can help some of you who do not know what to do. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Bye.